there. Hi everyone. I'm going to be trying out the Naked Cherry by Urban Decay, their new cherry palette. So it's time to get naked, ladies. I don't have a lot of time because my kids are crying in the background and I gotta leave. So this is gonna be very quick. I just want to initially pack on the colors. I have used this once before, but you know, I'm curious how this is in a hurry. And one of my subscribers pointed out that she is not impressed with this palette. So I want to see what's up. I want to see what's going on and just give you guys my honest opinion on these. I always prime my eyes, good old primer, and let's get into it. So I always set that primer with the Bare Nude shade in the palette, which is Hot Spot. Let me zoom in. I wanted to zoom in so we can really see what's going on with this palette. So far Hot Spot's good. It's very pigmented. The light colors packing on. You know, this is a great brow bone highlighter to help carve up and clean up your eyebrows. You can put this in the inner part of your eye to just awaken your eyes as well. And it also sets your cream product so that these other shades will apply more smoothly. Then I'm gonna go in with Caution. It's a more gray toned tan and just start carving out my eye. And I'm sorry, this is gonna be rushed because I literally have 5 minutes and I just wanna test this out quickly, but I know it will take a couple of times to test out. So then I'm going in with Juicy, which is a peachy color. So, I feel like for as bright as this color is and how much is on the brush, not a lot is paying off on my eyes. Well, there we go. It's very, very subtle, which I guess is good, but I think this would need a lot of coats to really pack on. Guys, what's going on with Sister? Well, let's just jump into it. Let's go in with Devilish, which is this beautiful deep wine purplish red color. Is Sister okay? I feel like I have to work extra hard on this side. This side seems more patchy. I'm gonna go in with a little Privacy, which is a chocolate brown. By the way, I'm repeating an outfit I just filmed, my Pixi Glow stuff. That's what's on my cheeks, all this new Pixi Glow cake palette. So I hope if you guys watch that, you will notice I'm repeating an outfit. So thank you guys for your continuous support. All right, well, so far I do like this. It seems like they're a little patchy. What did she say? You said Love Drug, or you said Young Love was your favorite. I feel like I have to work harder on this side. I'm going to take a flat brush and apply this Young Love, this beautiful metallic cherry color. Okay, I just had to do about 7 coats to keep packing this on, but this is a pretty color. I feel like this side is so messy. I'm gonna spray it and see how that intensifies this. With the brush wet, I'm gonna pick up the Young Blood. Yeah, that definitely metallicizes it beautifully. Hey James, what's sister doing?
You want to do a trick.
What?
You want to do a trick.
All right, so, you know, whatever's left, you can apply under there. All right, well, I'm out of time. I'm gonna apply a little brown eyeliner and then mascara, and I really gotta go, guys. But initially, I think this is really pretty. Okay, with the brush, this looks pretty. Look how cool. This is the best brush I've ever seen, the Naked Cherry brush. But look at that. To smudge. This is the best little smudge brush I've ever seen. That's perfect. It's about time people step up their game with the brushes that come with the palette. Okay, but initially, like, it's okay. I'm not turned off by it. It's just any typical palette. Sometimes I'm used to working harder. I find it a little streaky and patchy, but I feel like what palette isn't these days, you know? So this is a great little bullet of a brush. All right, but yep, this is my final look. I mean, I've got to put mascara on and my eyeliner, but I just want you to see how these shadows apply. I'm not sugarcoating any of this. I'm not fast forwarding, editing any of it out. So, you know, I think it's okay, but if you think it's crap, let me know. I don't know. I feel like I keep going over this to smooth it out and blend it out because it is a little patchy, but the colors are really pretty, especially if you like cherry, if you know a friend that likes cherry. I mean, I think it's comparable to the other Naked palette. So if you like Naked, you will like this. Alrighty, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you in my next tutorial.